Well, LGBTQ+, looks like we made it to another year. How amazing! I have been seeing people posting photos with captions saying things like, how I walk into 2021. I don't know how y'all can walk into 2021 looking amazing like that. I walk into 2021 with a whole bunch of depth and a dent on my car from my last accident the day before New Year. Anyway, so let's jump into today's video. I have an amazing follower on Instagram giving me this idea to create a video featuring 21 looks for 2021, and I haven't uploaded a lookbook video in a while, so guess what? In today's video, I will be showing you guys 21 trends, 21 looks for 2021. Before we start the video, please click the subscribe button below. Other than that, let's get this shit over with. I can't wait. I'm actually lying. I hate filming lookbooks, but it's okay. Let's go. The very first trend that I have seen a lot lately is trench coats. Trench coats are very big right now, just like my ego. I actually have been seeing them all over the runway lately. This Dior coat is very light, yet it can keep me warm at the same time. The construction of this coat is beautifully done and the lining on the inside is very stunning. When getting a coat for 2021, I definitely recommend getting one in a camel or tan color. The reason being is that with this color, it's easy to throw on top of whatever outfits you already have on. The next trend slash look that I would like to... Who the fuck is texting me in the middle of filming? To review the next look, I'm going to take off this coat to show you the very next trend. Matching sets. I'm going to say this now and we'll repeat it again in my future videos. Matching is the new black. I don't think this trend will ever die down. Wearing a matching set is just appropriate for any occasion. This is a matching set that I will be going to details in my upcoming video. And to complete this look, I'm wearing these junky boots from Bershka, which leads to my very next trend. Junky boots are big, huge, and junky this season. If you haven't tried out this trend, I recommend you to give it a try. I love wearing my boots so much. They are a little heavy, but very comfortable to walk in. And the best part is that I am now 3 inches taller. For this look, I'm wearing these crop mid trousers and a black turtleneck. Super warm and cozy. The next trend that I would like to introduce is nothing new here on my channel, boyfriend blazers. The reason why I decided to call this the boyfriend blazer instead of vintage blazer is because it doesn't matter if the blazer is new or old. We're looking for big, oversized blazers. Blazer that look like you stole from your boyfriend or your daddy. Your daddy. This blazer helped with elevating my look and adding more elements to it. When wearing an oversized blazer, you can take your outfits to the next level with this next trend. Cinch belts. Yep, snatching your waist is still a thing. Since the blazer is big and bulky, you want to cinch your waist with your belt, creating a new body shape. For me, I'm wearing my off-white belt on top of my black oversized blazer from Hugo Boss, and I'm wearing this outfit with my black... I'm not wearing this outfit with my black trousers. Let's move on to the very next trend, I guess. High-waisted pants. This trend was slowly making its way back, and then Harry Styles gave it a boost. These high-waisted trousers are eating 3/4 of my body, but I'm not mad at all. What do you think? Is this something that you would like to try wearing yourself? Personally, I think wearing a pair of high-waisted pants is fine, but wearing a pair of super high-waisted pants is a bigger moment. Next, hats. Actually, I don't know. Is this an actual trend or did I just pull this trend out of my ass and pretend that I know what I'm talking about. But anyways, if you see here, when I put on a hat, it completely transforms my outfit and it doesn't look as empty as before. Each hat gives my outfit a different vibe. Let's talk colors for a bit. Monochromatic outfits are definitely a thing this season and upcoming seasons. Similar to matching sets, this trend is making its way to the top. For those of you who are new to the word, wearing a monochromatic look, meaning you will be wearing everything in one color for your whole outfit. I have made a whole video serving you many different monochromatic looks that you can watch. The link is in the description box below. The video low-key flopped, but it's okay. I'm here to promote it again. Here I am wearing this whole green outfit with my green beret hat. When talking about monochromatic, you can't avoid talking about wearing all black, which is the next trend that I wanted to touch base on. The color black. Personally, I don't think wearing all black counts as a monochromatic outfit, but similar to denim, black will never go out of style. They say when in doubt, wear black. So that's what I'm serving in this look. Pastel colors are very pleasing to look at and fun to wear. Here I am wearing a pastel coat for this look. I really like this coat and I think chilly weather is the perfect weather to wear this look. Doesn't have to be super cold, but talk about coats. Mini coats are making an appearance on the runway again, and I enjoy seeing every single look so far. If you would like to make a statement with your outfit, definitely get yourself a cool looking coat. Oversized pants are competing against high-waisted trousers this season to become the hottest trend. I can see more people wearing oversized pants over high-waisted pants. Oversized pants come in different fabrics like knit, satin, and of course denim. Oversized pants will always go with a button-up. You can also match them with any sweaters. Chunky sneakers. This trend started a few years ago, but it is still here with us. Just like when super skinny jeans was like a really big trend for like 6 years or something like that. I thought that we already moved on from this, but I still see a lot of chunky sneakers everywhere. I love pairing my Adidas sneakers with my boxy jeans. Denim will always be here and never go out of style. And for this look, I am wearing this vintage looking denim jumpsuit from Zara. It's a little boxy, but I love this fit. This look is very stylish yet retro looking at the same time. I have seen a lot of color leather pants around lately and I just know that this trend is getting bigger and bigger. The only problem I have with wearing leather pants or pleather pants is that they can make me sweat very easily, and on top of that, it's sometimes a little hard to move around. So if you are planning to go somewhere that requires you to move a lot, definitely don't wear these. Personally, I think you should just wear them to go somewhere just so you can sit there and look pretty. I'm so glad that people started to ditch t-shirts and wear more button-down shirts. Button-downs come in different shapes, size, colors, and fabrics. I enjoy looking at different types of button-down shirts that the designers showcase each season. There are endless ways that they can do to give the old-fashioned button-down a brand new look. Bigger shoulders, longer sleeves, cropped body, many different styles. Sweater vests. I already made a video about sweater vests and how to style different types of sweater vests, but it's worth mentioning it again in this 2021 trends video. You can find the link in the description box below to see more sweater vest looks. I spot a lot of silk scarves for men's wear on the runway lately. There are a lot of ways you can wear a silk scarf to elevate your outfit, but wearing the scarf around your neck like this is the look that is trending this season. I think this is a smart way to make your outfit more fancy and also adding more details to your look. There are a lot of loafers, but the vintage looking loafers are definitely a thing at the moment. I believe this is another ageless trend. Maybe this is why I don't feel bad investing in expensive loafers, because I know that 10 years from now I can still wear these. Honestly, this should be self-explanatory, since I was able to match my loafers with most of my looks in this video. As much as I hate the word chunky, and I have said this word many times in this video, a chunky flat is another type of shoe that is trending this year. I might be getting another pair of chunky flats to wear because they are super chic looking. Anything that can add more height to my body is a yes. Last but not least, Schoolboy shorts. Forget about short shorts. We are adding more length this season. Personally, I have been obsessed with wearing this type of shorts. I enjoy wearing these so much that I got them in another color. I am waiting for the weather to get a little warmer to start wearing these shorts again. What is their purpose? What is their purpose? Huh? I asked my boyfriend to revise my script, and he added this question into the script for me to answer in this video. So what is their purpose? I don't fucking know. Just wear them. They look good. Whatever I mentioned in this video is definitely my opinion. If it's not an actual trend, please don't come for me. Yeah. Whoa! If you are still watching, thank you so much for sticking with me and listening to my bullshit for the past 10 hours. I hope you will be able to pick up a few trends here and there in this video and apply them for your next outfits. I would like to say thank you again to LY for giving me this amazing idea. If you have any requests, anything that you would like to see from me other than my nudes, please go ahead and DM me on Instagram. Oh my god, I'm gonna get banned for saying that. Anyways, if you have any requests or anything that you would like to see from me, please go ahead and send me a DM on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to talk to you. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!